How to fix a crackling sound on your AirPods Pro 3. So if the sound is either muffled or you're hearing a crackling noise, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our iPhone and make sure your AirPods are connected to your device. You can then go and load up the settings on your phone, click on Bluetooth, and then go and locate your AirPods Pro from the list. Now click on the information button next to your AirPods, and the first thing we need to do is go and adjust some of the settings. So next to listening mode, we're going to change this to transparency. You can then scroll down the page and you'll see the audio section. Make sure personalized volume is turned off and disabled. You also want to disable loud sound reduction, and then you can click on adaptive audio. Now next to the customize adaptive audio slider, go and increase this to the maximum level like so. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if the crackling sound has been fixed. If it's still not working, we're going to head back over to the main settings page. You're going to click on Bluetooth, and next to your AirPods, click on the information button once again, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and press forget this device. You could then press forget device. Now once your AirPods have been completely removed from your iPhone, you'll then just need to go through the steps to reconnect your AirPods to your phone. Once they're reconnected, that's another way to solve the crackling issue. Now if it's still not working, you can try cleaning the AirPods Pro 3 as well. So sometimes what may happen is you may get dust or debris that kind of accumulates in the AirPods, and this can also cause the crackling sound effect. So you can use something like an earbud just to make sure these are completely clean, and once you've gone through all of these steps, the crackling sound should now be solved.